Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about classify fabric defects in garment manufacturing industry. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. Classify fabric defects. Defects classification. Classify fabric defects. A fabric defect is an abnormality in the fabric that hinders its acceptability by the consumer. The textile processing does not eliminate variability incurred during different steps in textile manufacturing. As materials flow from one stage of processing to another, components of variability are added and the final product may involve a cumulative variability that is much higher than the variability of the input fibers, and thus it causes a defect in the fabric. The main factors that lead to fabric defects are failure of opening and cleaning the machines that completely eliminate contaminants and trash particles, and it may lead to spinning, weaving and knitting related defects. So the fabric inspection has to identify all types of defects with minimum effort. Defects classification. Defects are broadly classified as minor, major and critical defects. Minor defects include small faults which have no influence on the purchase of the product. Major defects are those which when exposed are likely to affect the purchase of the product and are hence categorized as seconds. Critical defects could cause an entire roll to be rated as a second or worse. In terms of quality standards, the defects on the fabric surface are categorized into two: surface color change and local texture irregularity. Further, the defects can be classified as yarn defects, bare, color flakes, knots, slub, spirality. Weaving defects, broken ends, broken picks, double end, double pick, float, etc. Isolated defects, color fly, fuzz balls, nappy surface, oil stains. Pattern defects, broken color pattern, skip stitch. Wet processing defects, color bleeding, crease marks, dye marks, misprint, pin marks, shade variation, skewing, uneven or patchy dyeing. Rising defects, broken pattern, missing pile, uneven piles. Milling defects, chafing, fiber migration, mill rigging. Example of fabric defect descriptions: fabric defect due to the hole, fabric defect due to stain, float defect in the fabric, fabric weft yarn defect, fabric warp yarn defect, slub defect in the fabric. Example of fabric defect descriptions: double pick defect in the fabric, double end defect in the fabric, fabric broken pick defect, insufficient weft density in the fabric, excessive weft density in the fabric, broken end defect in the fabric. Defect cause severity: skewed or biased, condition where filling yarns are not square with wrap yarns on woven fabrics, or where courses are not square with veil lines on knits, major or minor. Back fabric seam impression: backing fabric is often used to cushion fabric being printed. If there is a joining seam in the backing fabric, an impression will result on printed fabric, major. Bare occurs in circular knit caused by mixing yarn on feed into the machine. Fabric will appear to have horizontal streaks, usually major. Bird's eye often caused by unintentional tucking from malfunctioning needle, usually two small distorted stitches caused side by side, major or minor depending on severity. Burl mark: when a slub or extra piece of yarn is woven into the fabric, it is often removed by a burling tool. This will usually leave an open place in the fabric, major. Bowing: usually caused by finishing. Woven filling yarns lie in an arc across fabric width. It is critical on stripes or patterns and not as critical on solid colors, major or minor. Broken color pattern: usually caused by colored yarn out of place on the frame, major. Color out: color out is the result of color running low in a reservoir on the printing machine, major. Color smurs: color smurs are the result of color being smudged during printing, major or minor. Crease mark: differs from crease streak in that streak will probably appear for an entire roll. Crease mark appears when creases are caused by fabric folds in the finishing process. Often discoloration is a problem. Major crease streak occurs in tubular knits, results from creased fabric passing through squeeze roller in dyeing process depending on the product, usually major. Drop stitching. Drop stitching results from malfunctioning needle or jack appearing as holes or missing stitches, major. Dropped pick caused by the filling insertion mechanism on a shuttleless loom not holding the filling yarn, causing the filling yarn to be worn without tension. The filling yarn appears as kinky. There will also be areas of end out, major. Drawbacks caused by excessive loom tension gradually applied by some abnormal restriction. When the restriction is removed, the excess slack is woven into the fabric. Usually the ends are broken, major. Dye streak in printing results from a damaged doctor blade or a blade not cleaned properly, usually a long streak until the operator notices the problem, major. End out caused by yarn breaking and loom continuing to run with the missing end, major jerkin caused by an extra piece of filling yarn being jerked partway into the fabric by the shuttle. The defect will appear at the selvage, usually major. Holes in fabrics are usually caused by the broken needle, major. Jerkins is caused by an extra piece of filling yarn being jerked partway into the fabric by the shuttle. The defect will appear at the selvage, major or minor. Knots are caused by tying spools of yarn together, usually minor. Missing yarn occurs in circular knit caused by one end of yarn missing from feed and machine continuing to run, major. Mixed filling caused by bobbin of lightweight yarn or different fiber blend used in filling will appear as a distant shade change, major. Mixed yarn is a different fiber blend used on the warp frame resulting in a streak in the fabric, usually major. Mottled occurs when colors applied unevenly during printing, major or minor. Needle line is caused by bent needle forming distorted stitches in a vertical line, major or minor. Opened reed are the result from a bent reed wire causing warp ends to be held apart, exposing the filling yarn, major. Press off occurs when all or some of the needles on circular knitting fail to function, fabric either falls off the machine or design is completely disrupted or destroyed, major. Pinholes along selvage caused by pins holding fabric while it processes through tender frame, major if pinholes extend into the body of fabric far enough to be visible in the finished product, major. Printing machine stop mark, dye or ink smudged along the width of fabric as a result of the printing machine stopping, major. Print out of repair caused by print rollers not being synchronized properly. This results in various colors of design not being printed in the proper position, major. Puckered selvage usually caused by selvage being stretched in finishing or by uneven wetting out of sanforization process, major. Pilling refers to the forming of little mated balls on the surface of knitted fabrics. Pilling occurs when soft yarn rubs against itself, resulting in tangled fibers and produces an uneven and worn look, major. Runner is caused by the broken needle. The runner will appear as a vertical line. Most machines have a stopping device to stop the machine when a needle breaks, major or minor. Sanforized pucker usually caused by defective spray heads resulting in uneven wetting out of sanforized. Fabric will appear wavy or pucker when spread on cutting table. It is difficult to detect while inspecting on inspection machine with fabric under roller tension, major or minor. Scrimp is the result of fabric being folded or creased when passing through tender frames, major. Skewing refers to a condition where filling yarns are not square with warp yarns on woven fabrics or where courses are not square with veil lines on knits, major. Smash caused by a number of ruptured warp ends that has been repaired, major. Slub refers to thick or heavy places in the yarn or flying waste yarn getting into yarn feeds during the spinning process. Slub and other inconsistencies are common in fabrics produced on vintage shuttle looms, major or minor. Soil filling. Soil filling is dirty, oily looking spots on the warp or filling yarns or on packaged dye yarn. Can be major or minor. Stop mark. Stop mark occurs when the loom is stopped, the yarn elongates under tension. When the loom starts again, the slack is woven into the fabric. Can be major or minor. Strayed end. Strayed end is caused when an end of yarn breaks and the loose end strays and is knit irregularity into another area. Major. Thin place. Thin place is often caused by the filling yarn breaking and the loom continuing to run until the operator notices the problem. Major. Water spots. Water spots are usually caused by wet fabric being allowed to remain too long before drying. Color migrates, leaving blotchy spots. Major. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.